up.
Gotta beard yourself up.
Yeah, because I was trying to think about what I was going to say, because I don't know where to start with these folks. These niggas going 1,000 miles an hour. We trying to keep up with them. Next thing you know, So I got a ticket last night. And yeah, that was pretty crazy. They was trying to take Isaac. I don't think I ever in my life been in no handcuffs. I was nervous. They made us get out the car. Like, I done been pulled over many and plenty of times in my life, but never have I ever had to get out of the car.
Fuck them niggas.
They was like, oh, man, if you step out of the car, please. You know, the crazy part that got me is when I stepped out of the car, the officer, first of all, let me just say this. They was fishing. They was fishing so hard, and it was really crazy. I'm going to just say this. I got to get this off my chest. Because they was fishing real hard. When I got out of the car, you know, I tried to do it real quick. He tried to grab the door and open it, like, so he could look in the car. Like, searching and shit without even asking. So I got out, I hurried, I pushed it. He tried to reach for it, but I had closed it already. Walked around there, he asking me all these questions. You got any drugs? You got anything in the car? No.
You got a knife or gun? What the fuck?
A knife or gun. They was trying to make sure.
Nigga, I ain't no 30, you little bitch ass nigga, little scary motherfucker.
They took me out the car. And they got me standing over there. The lady over there asked, so where y'all going? What y'all doing? I'm like, yeah, we're going to LA. We got to go shoot something, you know. All this. She just asked me a million questions. Meanwhile, the other officer going back and forth like this between the car and his car and Isaac. And, shoot, next thing you know, he pulled Isaac out the car. He's like, sir, you know, you got a warrant? Warrant? He go to the car and look it up. Yeah, you got a warrant, sir. Go back, get Isaac out the car, bring him over there, handcuff him, and then 2 seconds later say, oh, nah, well, I can't take you because of COVID, so I'm going to let you go.
Oh, you little fake motherfucker. He thought I was finna act stupid, nigga. If I act stupid, you'd have been beat up. Nigga, from when I got out the car, I'd have popped his ass and ran them bushes. Bitch, pow!
He was really trying, though. He was really trying. They was really trying so hard. They was trying to find anything, but that was a test. So now listen, when it comes to these popos and people in general, they always trying to test you, don't fail. And sometimes something crazy can be a blessing in disguise, because they was really about to get the boys in front of us because they was speeding. But God said, Aaron, he compelled me to speed up and swerve in front of them. And them lights said, you do?
They said I was finna get them.
Exactly.
He said it. The police said it.
I believe it. And if they would have stopped them.
Niggas say, like, shit, well, everybody that's with the camera crew, they went on ahead in the car in front of them.
They gone up.
Oh, yeah, we was about to get them. Oh, you little bitch.
So call me the savior, because I saved y'all. I took that L for the team, okay? I ain't taking no more L's for the team, okay? So y'all better slow y'all ass down. As a matter of fact, I don't even know where they at right now because we slowed down and we stopped chasing them. So we back here somewhere. Ooh, I got an email. Oh, okay, goddamn. Okay, some work stuff. We almost to California, and we driving straight. Well, okay. Oh yeah, we are in California. We did pass the border. It's hilly out here too.
In the mountains. This is all you hear on the radio.
That and this.
That's the #1 station. Everybody listening to right now.
I'm telling you. But these mountains are nice though. I'm gonna
try something else. See if you can find something else.
Find something else.
Don't seek. You gonna miss everything. Seek it, just turn this.
I like to do that seek though.
That don't work.
So you gotta know how to work the seek.
That don't work. That's scanning from the end to the beginning.
I know.
And it ain't giving it no time to know if it's something else. We over here on the West Coast. Where the hell is Dr. Dre and Snoop Dogg music at? They tripping.
I'm telling you, what's the radio station? If you in California and you see this video, comment down below. Tell us what radio station to listen to, because this right here ain't popping. It's not getting us crunk. None of that. Like, we just sitting here dry. Like,
I'm asleep again.
But look at these mountains. Mountains. I'm like, let me turn this down. It's messing up my mountain music.
Mountain music. I'm talking about some mountain music. Mountain music.
You are the mountain music. There you go. I can't get copyrighted on that. Look at those mountains. You can still see the moon up there. You see it? Damn. Moon City. Look over there. Little villages. This is where the hill has eyes. If you go back there and you make a left, you'll see the hills have eyes cabbages. Be sure to keep all your fingers and toes inside of the bus. They will bite. Ah!
I know, it ain't that damn
Trying to break my camera.
Yeah, that.
Oh man.
Oh damn. That was another coyote. My bad.
He been hitting animals the whole trip.
Hey, that's their fault. It wasn't me. That first one, he was chasing a rat or a rabbit or something. He got his ass popped.
I think I hit a jackrabbit because that mother came out.
That mother was big, too.
His ears came out. He was like this. He
Oh,
came
yeah.
out. That
That's what that
motherfucker
is.
ran
He was
out.
tall?
Yeah, he tried to scurry, but he said,
Oh, hell yeah. That's a
"Skirt!"
jackrabbit.
And I think I clipped him right on this side of
That's
his.
definitely a jackrabbit. Yeah, look at the front of our car. That motherfucker full of blood.
I'm telling you.
Massacres.
I'm telling you. It's the California, no, the road
trip massacres.
Yeah, man, I don't even think we had hit California when I hit that.
Man, we done hit so much shit before we got to Cali.
We went through the mountains. It was in the mountains when I hit it. I was
That's
looking
where I
on the
was.
side.
I was in that look like one of them canyons.
Yeah, that's what it looked like.
Goddamn thing. Remember
Driving
we seen
through
about 17, 18 dead.
I'm telling you, that lady last night, that officer, she said, yeah, you know there's wild boar out here. I was like, boar? Pigs too?
I think I seen one there. Because I was like, what the fuck was that shit? I didn't know what it was. Them hoes black. They black out here.
I'm from the country and all, but I ain't
That thing look black out here. They don't look like ours. Yeah, ours was like brownish, grayish looking. Them mother looked black.
It's about time for me to take my bonnet off.
You better take your bonnet off.
Not really, but I guess it's about time. We almost there. We probably about 2 hours out, and I still gotta stop at the Staples place and print some documents out so we can make sure everybody's all paperworked in and stuff. But
yeah, I gotta get my paperwork in because
yeah, you gotta get your paperwork.
Driving.
Yeah.
I need my hands. I need my hands. Yeah.
We need to get a haircut too.
Man, look, that is Puerto Rican hair. You look at that good ass.
So California, hey, look, we here for a week. He needs his haircut.
No, it ain't.
So if y'all know anybody who
I don't like it, my
hair,
cut. I don't like to sit still.
Well, we still gonna have to get it done. So if y'all know anybody who cut hair, comment down below in the link description, whatever the hell that shit is that they be saying. Comment down below. Let us know. A barbershop.
Yeah, don't be trying to tag us now. These expensive ass barbers, neither. We ain't in the NBA.
I need my hair done too. So.
Ooh, Lake Tamaris. Where is the water?
I don't know.
Where the hell the water? Ain't talking about a lake.
It's that Hills Have Eyes village right here. Look at that.
They said lake, and I don't see no water.
I know y'all see that. Hills Have Eyes. Ooh, there's a critter right there. Look. Nope.
You see no water.
Nope.
Man. That's false advertising. Something. I ain't see no water.
Well, maybe it's not on this side. Maybe it's somewhere else. It's still a big state. California is one of the biggest states.
If you sit there and say lake, then that means it's in the vicinity. And where's the water?
I don't know, but we're going to find us some water.
You sure we gonna find us some water? I gotta put that lure in some water.
Oh yeah. So I bought him this electronic lure. I tried to buy it once for Father's Day.
Oh, show it to him. It's right there.
And they didn't. They sent the wrong one.
They sent the wrong one. They
sent a
gypped
bunch
us
of
on there. Little
regular
fake.
ass things that didn't move.
Now,
But
show me the name of it first.
now
so
we
they
got
can
the
see.
real deal.
Robotic.
Swimming
Shout out to
lure.
them. Appreciate that, buddies. We're going to use
Because
the
we're
hell
gonna
out
put
of
this
that.
to use out here in
A
the great state
gang.
of Cali.
A gang of use.
Let me show you what it looked like. Look like this. You see it? It's fishing. It's swimming. That's what it's gonna do in the water.
It came with a charger and everything. It's
Yeah.
automatic. So all I gotta do is
It's
look, don't
hooking
you
me.
hook yourself up with that thing. It ain't coming out.
That motherfucker hurts.
I ain't sniffing my new hook, so I'm gonna have to rip that out.
It got a car charger, so you charge it up like a car. It ain't got no regular battery.
Juice.
Well,
Cables on that
honey, you
bad
gotta
boy.
put the cables on it, okay? Okay,
Damn.
honey. And it come with a bobber. A bobber. Anybody who don't go fishing, y'all know what this is. It floats on top of the water. When you catch a fish, it goes under. Got him.
Fish on.
And then you got some of these little things right here. They
Leaders.
call leaders. Now these help you catch the big fish. Because if you catch a big fish without this, it's going to take your whole line. Gone. So that's going to be fun. But in the meantime and in between time, we still got work to do. We still on the road, y'all. We'll give y'all an update when we get into town. And I might even let y'all watch me get myself together because I got to do something to this head before we get there. It's already kind of done. It's just wrapped up. So we'll see.